Let us enjoy 3 points, very important. I am very happy. The players work very hard to deserve this. Selamat malam. First, I want to say Selamat ulang tahun for Grup Bosowa that make 52 years old. This win is also for the group. Also, I want to say congratulations for Persija Makassar under 18 because they juara under 18 yesterday against Persija, but also to under 20 Persija and under 16 Borneo. I hope that we can develop as academy on Persija Makassar. It's important to win cups, but more important to develop players, or these players can arrive to the first team. So be humble and work hard to can have a chance on the first team. About the game, I think fantastic attitude from our boys, our team. Good attitude without ball, with the ball. We have more opportunities than opponent team. We have more corners. I think we deserve this result. But also, see, 8 years Persija Makassar not win for Liga 1 Persija. 8 years. And today, these boys make history and catch the 3 points. That was very important. But also I want to say one thing. It's too much easy for our team get yellow card. Also me as a coach. I get yellow card, I have watch here and just say how many minutes. And was it come to give me yellow card? So I get yellow card because this. I make a question, I not be rude, I not be aggressive, I not lose the respect for the was it. So please respect us. It's too much easy to our players get yellow card or our staff and opponent team make everything. See how the referee spoke for Daisuke. How can it possible a referee speak like this to a player? He not show respect. I don't see the referee to speak this for other player. Daisuke is front of the ball for not allowed that Persija make quickly free kick. And he asked to the referee, hey, you gonna use the whistle like this? Just this. And he shouts, he misrespect to Daisuke. We not lose. I am speaking about the referee. We not lose. We won. But come on, respect us. Too much easy to show yellow card, to intimidate our players. Why you make this? Let us enjoy 3 points, very important. I am very happy. The players work very hard to deserve this. Last matches, Tirabagos was it against us, but today we won. I am very happy.
Very happy for the team. Very happy that I can help the team. Everybody work hard, and very important for us to secure these 3 points despite everything. We will keep pushing forward. We will keep doing our job, and we hope next match, of course, we can secure the 3 points again and continue this way.